So you want to start shooting instant film. So you got plenty of options. If you want to start shooting instant film, you could start with this Polaroid Go. Inexpensive, you can buy it at Target, or you can get these other options here. They're easily found for like 20, 15 bucks, and these all take Instax film. Or if you want to be super pro professional about it, you can get this S670. 100 bucks, 200 bucks, not too bad, but there's a lot of things going on with this, so I suggest starting with these other ones. So if you're thinking about shooting instant film, it's just as simple as pointing and shooting.
Oh yeah.